Alright guys, so the best way that I've found, see if I can get the best angle here. This will be up a little bit further. What you want to do, so when you start on this will obviously probably be in the car, maybe not. But I wedged the flat head screwdriver in between this. It was oh, there we go. Now it's going to be real hard to do it with one hand. But anyways, I went in here because for the life of me, I could not figure out how to undo this. You go in, you get it in just the right spot. I think I tried even right here. Yeah, you can kind of cheat and go right here just a little bit on both sides. Maybe it won't work. Maybe don't try the cheat method first, but anyways, I went right here and it popped down. Pop it down just a little bit more. And on the top here, right there, I also pushed that back right there. Push that black piece. Can you see that little tab? You push that back and down, and it comes right out. I hope that helps.